to a new day in Animal Company. Wait, guys, I saw there's a new update. Like, today's Tuesday! What update is this? Wait, is there gonna be a new feature? Like, what? Like, there's gonna be new features, probably. Like, look, a sliding feature! Bro, this is gonna probably be the...
I got you.
This is probably gonna be the new space
I'm
map!
2 hit.
This is probably gonna be the new space map! Ah! Wait, like this can be the new space map. Like that can. Wait, like this can be the new space map. Like,
Hey, bro.
What?
What game mode are we in?
I think we're in the space map game mode.
Bro, come over here. Look.
Safe zone. Wait, safe zone.
We don't have any game, bro.
Press this. Press adventure. Press adventure to go back.
Bro, like that's insane.
Help
Like
me.
we're like in this mode. This is like. Okay, I guess. Bro, like we're in the new mode.
Ah, yeah. Huh.
Get.
Revive me! Touch my body to revive me. Ah, la 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 la!
Don't try to kill me, bro.
Don't try to kick you. What did you just say? Don't try to kill me. Wait, what?
Monkey.
Talk to him. Talk to
Bro,
him.
what
Talk to him.
the? Bro, the.
Monkey.
I wanna go back to like adventure mode, guys. Okay, bro, when I go back, like you're gonna die.
Monkey more.
Okay, bro, he's gonna get kicked.
Why?
Let's go back to adventure mode, guys. This game mode is so broken. What the? Guys, the only thing that I'm saying was, what the heck was that?
Hi, bro.
Like, oh my god. Man, what the hell? What? They don't. I think that's gonna be the new space map game mode.
Bro, we're not in the... Oh my gosh. Get on the zip line. It's way more...
Whoa. What the hell?
Guys, where are you on the map? Enter, but I can't find you guys.
But we're back. Bro, that's kind of good. Like now they got like a new zip line. Wait, they upgraded forest now. It's down there. Bro, they upgraded everything. Nothing changed for the lake. They should add another zip line that lead to the space. Hey.
There you are.
Bro, is that the OG iPad? Wait.
No.
The wires aren't the same. Like, bro, what the hell was that secret map that we just went? So there's like this new button that you press game mode, and after that it would just teleport you to somewhere like weird. Bro, what about the danger mode that we just we're seeing? Because like we're getting the game mode, we're getting the full update on like 6 more days, because like it's gonna be a live event of
But
sort of live event.
the remote should be over there on the couch.
Bro, why does
It's literally
they
on
know
the
it's so
couch.
weird? Okay, we're gonna get a flashlight. I'm doing it quickly. We're gonna go mining. Bro, they made the tunnel for... Let's go. Bro, like, now there's like the secret tunnel. Where are you guys?
I'm in caverns looking for purple point things.
Bro, I'm in mines. I hear crafting some gold. Let's go. Where are you? Guys, where are you?
Activate me.
Okay, so yeah, I think that's the end of